If you style your jeans following these rules, they will never look basic. On the contrary, they will feel elegant and look expensive. Hi, I'm Lina. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the latest trends and how to style them in a more personal and elegant way. I especially love focusing on timeless, chic fashion that always looks refined and effortless. If that's your vibe too, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our community. I'm gifting my style guidebook to you. To get it, simply comment "style" like this video and subscribe to the channel. Inside, I cover many important details like choosing the right colors and dressing according to your body shape, along with tips to help you look more elegant and put together. Now, let's get into it. Most women think jeans are just casual pieces, but elegant women approach them completely differently. For them, it's never about trends or standing out too much. I used to overstyle my jeans, but once I simplified my jeans looks, they felt much more elegant. The secret isn't the jeans themselves, but how they're chosen and styled. Elegant women always go for timeless cuts, such as straight leg or wide leg silhouettes, usually in dark blue or black. They may also opt for subtle flared styles, but always in clean, structured fits that look refined and balanced. They avoid overly tight or trendy fits, and instead choose pieces that look effortless, balanced, and refined. You'll never see excessive details, rips, or loud logos, because simplicity is what makes an outfit look expensive. Shoes are where the transformation really happens. A simple pair of pointed heels can instantly elevate jeans into something sophisticated, while ballet flats create that effortless Parisian elegance. Sleek leather boots, on the other hand, add structure and strength to the look. The difference between an average outfit and an elegant one often comes down to this single choice. When it comes to styling straight-leg jeans like these, the choice of shoes completely defines the overall look. Pointed toe heels, whether in black or white, instantly elevate the outfit, making it look more refined and sophisticated. Slingback heels and minimal mules add a softer, more feminine elegance, perfect for a polished yet effortless feel. Ankle boots, especially in sleek black leather, bring structure and a slightly more powerful modern edge to the look. For a more relaxed but still chic option, loafers and ballet flats offer that understated, Parisian-inspired elegance. Even clean, minimal sneakers can work, but only when the rest of the outfit stays refined and intentional. Each shoe transforms the same pair of jeans in a different way, but the key is always choosing styles that are clean, minimal, and well-structured to maintain that elegant aesthetic. It's the most versatile pair of jeans you can have in your closet. Flared jeans pair beautifully with a variety of shoes. Ballet flats create a soft, effortless look, while ankle boots add structure and a more polished feel. Classic pumps, whether in black or bold tones, instantly elevate the outfit, making it more refined and feminine. Slingback heels bring a touch of timeless elegance, and even minimal sneakers can work for a clean, relaxed style. Each option complements the silhouette in a different way, but all keep the look chic and balanced. With these wide-leg jeans, I personally love pairing them with pointed toe heels, slingback heels, sleek ankle boots, pointed ballet flats, or minimal-heeled sandals. For me, they always create the most elegant and polished look. When it comes to styling jeans in an elegant way, there's one rule that makes the biggest difference, but almost no one talks about it. It's the 3-color rule. Elegant women never overload their denim outfits with too many colors. Instead, they keep everything limited, controlled, and intentional. When they wear jeans, the denim itself becomes the base color, usually dark blue or black. Then they add a second, softer tone on top. Finally, they finish the look with a third color through their shoes, belt, or bag, often black, brown, or a subtle gold detail. This is what makes even a simple jeans outfit look refined, because the moment you start adding too many colors, the outfit loses that clean, expensive feel. In fact, most elegant denim looks follow this formula without exception. Dark jeans, a neutral top, and one complementary tone in the accessories. Sometimes they simplify it even further by sticking to 2 main colors and adding gold jewelry as the third element. So, if you want your jeans to look chic and elevated, don't focus on adding more pieces. Focus on controlling your colors. Because in elegant styling, less color always means more impact. The top half of the outfit carries most of the elegance, especially when styling denim. What you wear on top can instantly elevate or completely downgrade the look. Instead of anything overly casual or oversized, elegant women choose pieces that feel intentional, structured, and refined. Think of crisp cotton shirts, soft knit tops that gently follow the body, lightweight sweaters, or fluid blouses with a clean silhouette. Even a simple fitted top can look incredibly elegant when the fabric is high quality and the fit is right. The key is avoiding anything too tight, too loose, or too complicated. Balance is what makes it look expensive. Texture also plays an important role. Materials like cotton, silk, fine knits, or linen blends add depth without being loud. These fabrics move well, hold their shape, and give that effortless, polished feel. Color is just as important. Elegant style avoids anything loud or chaotic, focusing instead on a neutral palette: beige, cream, black, navy, soft browns, or muted tones. This keeps the look calm, cohesive, and timeless. Accessories are minimal but impactful. A simple leather belt, subtle gold jewelry, and a structured bag are more than enough. Elegant women never over-accessorize. They focus on a few high-quality pieces that elevate the entire outfit without overwhelming it. What most people don't realize is that fabric matters just as much as the fit. High-quality denim holds its shape and looks structured, while thin or overly stretchy fabric can instantly cheapen the look. Elegant women don't just choose the right cut, they choose the right material. They also never skip the belt, but it's always the right kind. Elegant women choose simple leather belts in classic tones like black, dark brown, or deep tan. The design is minimal, with clean lines and no visible logos or heavy details. A subtle gold or brushed metal buckle adds just enough refinement without drawing too much attention. Because the belt is not just functional, it's a quiet finishing touch that brings the entire outfit together and adds that subtle, sophisticated polish. Another detail that makes a huge difference is the length of the jeans. Elegant women pay attention to where the jeans end. The hem should hit right at the ankle. Too long looks messy, too short looks off. This small adjustment can completely change how polished the outfit feels. You'll also notice that truly elegant style avoids visible logos. There's no need to show brands or labels. The look speaks for itself through fit, fabric, and simplicity. Another key detail is repetition. Elegant women don't constantly buy new clothes. They rewear the same jeans but style them differently each time. This creates a consistent, signature look that feels far more luxurious than chasing trends. Because in the end, elegance isn't about buying more, it's about removing what doesn't belong. That's what makes even a simple pair of jeans look effortlessly sophisticated. And finally, the detail most people overlook: how you carry yourself. Clean, simple hair, natural makeup, and confident posture make a bigger difference than any clothing item. Because in the end, elegance isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you present it. That's why truly elegant women can wear something as simple as jeans and still look effortlessly sophisticated. Before you go, I'm curious. If you had to choose just one, which one would you keep? Straight leg or wide leg jeans? Tell me in the comments. I really want to know your style. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more elegant styling tips. I share simple ways to elevate your everyday looks and create a more refined, timeless style. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.